Hi yogis. Have you ever felt embarrassed or awkward going to a yoga class and decided that it just wasn't for you because you're not flexible enough? You see these pictures of these perfect yoga poses where women or men, people are sitting in these like perfectly symmetrical, like really super flexible poses. Well, let me tell you, that is not really the only reason to do yoga. That's actually one of very, very many reasons that we could be doing yoga. So I like to help my clients to be able to make yoga fit for them. And that's the thing about yoga. When you are practicing your yoga practice, it works for you regardless of what the ideal might be. So sure, there are certain ways to come about poses so that you're not going to hurt yourself, so that you're going to be in alignment that works for your body. But you can't know that based on a picture or based on somebody else's body. You know that best by what happens in your body and the signals that you're getting. So I have created this series to help you to find your version of what a lot of these very common yoga shapes are going to do for you, so that you can feel comfortable, so that you know when you are doing practice, you are advancing your practice for what your body needs, for what you need, and not based on what some ideal might be. Okay, so this series is going to be about 6 weeks long, maybe a little longer if I get so inspired, but it's going to run over the next several weeks, and we're going to tackle a little bit at a time, using things like props to help you find your ideal shape, because everybody's body is different. Sure, maybe I'm sitting like this today, but on another day, my hips might be really sore. Maybe I was out shoveling, or maybe I was sitting at my desk for a whole day, so I'm really tight through my hips. So I need to sit up on a block or even up on a bolster or a blanket. There are a lot of ways to make every single yoga pose work for you, so you don't have to feel embarrassed or you don't have to feel like yoga isn't for you. So trust me when I say anybody can do yoga. You just need to know how to make it work for you. So please join me on this series, and make sure that you subscribe and hit the little bell so that you know when these new classes are dropped, so that you can follow along and enhance your practice to make it work for you. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and to checking out my videos. I appreciate you so much, and I'd love to hear what it is that you'd like to see. I'm always welcoming more content ideas, so just drop a little comment if you like something, or if there's something you'd like to see more of. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I hope you really enjoy this flexibility series, or inflexibility series, as I'm going to call it, and I will see you in the videos.